So more footage was just released of Iryna Zarutska, the Ukrainian woman who had her life ended on a subway in Charlotte, and it just gets even sadder. Footage immediately after she was attacked and stabbed in the neck. So it looks like the man in the gray immediately gets up and walks away, walking right past Iryna without saying a word or even checking on her. Right after, this lady and this man also get up and leave, and the two people in the back seem to stay put, but not a single person went to help her. You can see the fear in her eyes right after this happened and the confusion as to why. She then immediately looks to others for some sort of assistance or comfort, but receives nothing. All as she is visibly bleeding out onto her clothes and on the floor in literally her last moments. And as she realizes what just happened, she begins crying to herself all alone. Maybe if one of these people tried to help her in any way, she could still be here today. Rest in peace to Iryna. Let me know what you guys think, and as always, I'll keep you guys updated.